job getting her off the sleeves. That's really nice.
I thought that was really nice too.
Well, there's just no conflict.
Mhm.
So that's nice.
You are so good. Good girl. All right. One more. Just a walk. Very good girl. Wow, good girl. Right. There you go. Oh, good girl. That's my girl. Oh, that's my girl. Let's get him together. Oh, we're getting him. Oh, give it a hug. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That was wonderful. We did it. We did it together. We killed it in it. We killed it in it. Good girl.
Wag, wag.
Oh, okay. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, look at that guy right there. Okay.
Pick it up?
Yeah. We're going to go back to here. Okay. Very good idea. Get the walk. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Woohoo!
That's my girl. That's my girl.
Nice.
Good girl.
That ought to be concerning.
A little bit, huh? Ooh.
There you go.
I know, I didn't want Gabe to have a bad flashback.
The worst thing I could have done was run, right?
Yeah.
Or move at all.
Move at all.
Mhm.
Yeah, don't